guys, welcome to a new video. So we are opening my FUT Champs and Div Rival rewards for FIFA for this week. And I only got Silver 3 because I didn't play loads of games. So let's get into it. So I don't really expect much from this. I don't even know what I can get. So open up these. Choose my rewards for my Div Rivals. I'll go for the packs, which I normally go for coins because these packs are terrible. I don't play FIFA that much anymore, and I started playing again and I moved down divs. The highest div I've been in is 7, and now I'm obviously in div 10, nearly in div 9. Just moved down. So I was debating whether to go with the centre mid, but the left back just looks better. I think I can fit him into my team better. He's worth a lot more. I know he's one lower rating, but I'm not really too bothered about that. I might use him in the SPC anyway, I'm not too sure. So, well, yeah. But I'm not too happy with my choice because I know there's 90, 94, 95 rated, but I can't really do anything. I haven't played as many games this time. The internet's been terrible, so I'll just go with it. So let's get into these packs. So last time I got to Stegen out of these packs, but I got Silver 2 last time. 8 wins with a few games left to play, but I couldn't be bothered to play them. So I've done worse this time, so I don't expect as good of players. I don't even know whether I'll get a walkout, to be honest. So let's try, hopefully. Nope. My pack look is so bad. I haven't even packed anyone that good recently. Next pack. Literally no one. Literally gonna get no one. There's no point me even speeding these up because I'm probably gonna get no one out of any of them. Yeah. Quick sell them. At least they're tradable so I can get some coins back, but my div rivals aren't tradable, so I'm literally gonna get no one. Hopefully, nope. These are so bad. 82 better than like 70 rated, but still, I want to walk out. Right, let's go to the next packs. That was my FUT Champs. Now onto div rivals. Not even a rare gold. There we go. Literally packed him like 3 times now. Put him in the transfer list. Next pack. Here you go. Hopefully a walkout. Ready. Oh. Nope. Damn it. They're so bad. These are so bad. Nope. Untradable. Great. Let's go. Come on, someone good. It's gonna be no one. No, not even. They've got the lions on the door. It's gonna be absolutely no one. Oh man. Oh, we got an 83 in that. I don't know how these work anymore because of those other cards. Right, let's get rid of these. Yeah, let's put them in transfer list. Let's go. Final pack. Come on, someone good at this, please. Someone good. Oh no, it's not. Oh, what the? That's so bad. This is 78 rated. We've got a blue in here. We have a blue. Okay, that's not too bad. Obviously, it's not a walkout, but I suppose it's not as bad as I thought. So that is my team. make sure you hit that subscribe button for more good content coming soon.